Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube and I am here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you on this round canvas. I am going to be using the lovely Boom Gel paints, which are a pre-made paint. Well, they do all sorts of things apparently. They stain wood. I'm not sure what else you can use them for, but I'm just using them as a pre-made paint to sort of create the bloom effect without all the ingredients and the thinking about it, because they're kind of like a no-brainer. They come in some fantastic colours. I've got lots of them and I love them. Some people have said, oh, they're very expensive, but the thing is you only use a tiny bit, so these big bottles last for absolutely ages. So if you get the smaller bottles, that lasts ages too. So that's a more economical way if you can't afford to buy the big bottles. So they do last a long time. So sometimes I get this gets gunked up. So I just grab a skewer and pop it out. So then it leaves it all free, and so you can actually use them directly from the bottle. You don't have to do anything else. So I've put a little stick on my spinner so as I can use it to spin it round without actually touching the slow down. Without actually touching the paintwork. So I'm gonna see as well. I am again going to use these just over my ordinary global acrylic mixed with my normal, this is pre-mixed, the clear glue and the water mix. The pouring medium recipe is in the drop down box. So we'll see. I've got this yellow made up. I'm going to see what a really bright yellow base might create for me instead of white or black or blue. So I will see if I can just use an ordinary base. Mind you, this is a bit thin, but it's really nice bright yellow, so I might just give that a spin. Oh, my stick's already coming off. There you go, having a nice bright yellow base. That's pretty good. I hope I don't spin it off. Hang on, what have I done here? Oh. Okay, I'll give it a go. Let's see how we go. Right, I am going to put I was going to try and blow. Maybe I'll try and blow this one. I did last one where I did just swiped, but I might try this just in the blow. So that was the native violet purple. This one is the pearlescent pink. So as you see, it's just a squirt of it directly from the bottle, so can't really go wrong. And this one is the pearlescent teal. Ooh, that was a big blob. That's really too much. Don't need that much. And this is the pearlescent red. I'll go back with the native violet. I don't know whether to use my mini blower or my big one. Let me see. I haven't got the mini blower plugged in. I might try and blow with a straw maybe. Let me try blow with the straw. Yeah, the last one I did I swiped, but So this is just an ordinary stainless steel straw, and this is a silicone end. You know what, I never added any cell activator, but it looks fine without it. Let's see. So this is just the white with Amsterdam. Might see if I can, I'll probably stuff that up, but it looks fine without it. It doesn't have to have all the lacy cells, must I add. So I might spin this. But you can see what a difference it does make when it has got the cell activator in it. Put a bit. So this was, as I said, just the white Amsterdam paint with Floetrol only. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, I like it. Now if I spin that, I'll probably go all over the place, but let's give it a go. I'm going to add some, actually not with a spike in. That's quite nice to be on the red background actually, isn't it? It's not like the traditional fully bloomy bloom, but I think that's all right. Oh, I don't want to do any more. No, I'm going to leave it. I like it. I'm going to leave it to dry. I actually like it like that. I will have in the photos some close-ups of it. I like it with the very yellow background. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. I like it. I could do more, I could blow it out further, but I'm not going to because it's nice and bright and I think it's nice and cheery. Woo! I'll just bring you down for close-ups in the photos afterwards. So thank you so much for joining me for this very quick one. But how easy was that with those pre-made boom gel paints? Very simple, very easy. And of course you can get more elaborate and get the proper Shelley art bloom effect in them if you maybe use the same ingredients as they use with a house paint base and the cell activator that they use for, which is just white Amsterdam paint with Floetrol. So I just think that's gorgeous and I hope you do too. So until tomorrow, I will be back. You please take care, people. Take care of yourselves, and if you're feeling sad or lonely, please ring a friend or a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. It's not allowed. You must seek help. So I'm saying bye for now, and I will see you tomorrow.